In this informative video, discover practical solutions to fix any Windows update error you might encounter on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 system. From common issues to more complex errors, we will walk you through step-by-step instructions to resolve update problems and ensure your operating system stays up to date. Don't let Windows update errors disrupt your computing experience. Watch this video and empower yourself with the knowledge to troubleshoot and resolve issues efficiently. Step 1. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then Update and Security, then Troubleshoot, then Additional Troubleshooters, then Windows Update, then run the troubleshooter. Step 2. Restart your computer. A simple restart can resolve many update issues. Step 3. Disable antivirus firewall temporarily. These may interfere with updates, so try disabling them during the update process. Step 4. Clear the software distribution folder. Stop the Windows Update service, delete the contents of C drive Windows, then software distribution, and restart the service. Step 5. Manually download and install updates. Visit the Microsoft Update catalog, download the problematic update manually, and install it.